smash burger. This burger originated in early American diner culture in the United States, where chefs discovered a revolutionary cooking technique that completely changed the burger experience. Instead of shaping a thick patty, the ground beef is aggressively smashed onto a blazing hot grill. This technique triggers a chemical process known as the Maillard reaction, which creates a deeply caramelized, crispy crust packed with intense umami flavor. The ingredients are surprisingly simple yet extremely effective. Freshly ground beef, salt, black pepper, melted cheese, pickles, onions, and soft brioche buns. However, the magic is not in complexity, but in technique. People love smash burgers because they deliver a perfect contrast of textures, crispy, smoky edges combined with a juicy, tender center. It feels both street-style and gourmet at the same time. Today, it is widely available across the United States, United Kingdom, Middle East, and global fast food chains, usually priced between $8 to $15 depending on location and quality. Its rise in popularity is strongly linked to social media platforms, where sizzling cooking videos attract millions of views. Dubai chocolate. This luxurious dessert originated in the United Arab Emirates, particularly in Dubai's premium dessert cafes, a city already known for its luxury food culture. The ingredients include high-quality chocolate, roasted pistachio cream, butter, and finely shredded kunafa pastry. The combination creates a perfect harmony of smooth, creamy, and crunchy textures. People love it because it feels luxurious, dramatic, and almost theatrical. It is not just dessert, it is an experience designed for the camera. Today, it is available in Dubai, select European dessert boutiques, and luxury cafes in the United Kingdom, often priced between $10 to $30. A fascinating fact is that its popularity exploded mainly through ASMR-style cutting videos rather than traditional advertisements. At this point, if you are enjoying these global food journeys, take a moment to like this video. Hot honey chicken. This dish originated in the southern United States and represents one of the fastest-growing modern flavor trends known as spicy, which is the combination of sweet and spicy elements. Crispy fried chicken is coated in a golden glaze made from natural honey infused with chili flakes and spices, creating a flavor that is both comforting and electrifying. People love it because it activates two opposite taste sensations at the same time, sweet warmth followed by a spicy kick. It creates a highly addictive eating experience. This dish is now widely available in restaurants across the United States, United Kingdom, and international fast food chains, usually priced between $10 to $18. Loaded fries represent the ultimate comfort food evolution. Originating in American street food culture, this dish transforms ordinary French fries into a complete, indulgent meal. Crispy golden fries are layered with melted cheese, grilled chicken or beef, creamy sauces, jalapenos, and sometimes even spicy toppings. What makes loaded fries so popular is customization. No two servings are ever identical, making every experience unique. It is available in food trucks, casual cafes, and fast food restaurants worldwide, usually priced between $5 to $12. Ramen, originating from Japan, is one of the most emotionally comforting dishes in global cuisine. It became internationally popular due to anime culture and the emotional appeal of warm, soul-satisfying meals. It consists of noodles served in rich broth, topped with eggs, vegetables, and meat. People love it because it provides deep comfort, especially in cold weather. Japan even has entire museums dedicated to ramen, showcasing regional variations and history. It is available globally, usually priced around $7 to $15. Detroit-style pizza originated in Detroit, United States in the 1940s. It is prepared in a rectangular pan where cheese is spread to the edges, creating a caramelized crust, while the tomato sauce is layered on top after baking. This reverse layering technique gives it a unique texture and flavor profile. It is now popular in gourmet pizza restaurants across the United States, United Kingdom, and beyond, usually priced between $10 to $20. Bubble tea. It originated in Taiwan in the 1980s and slowly evolved into a worldwide cultural trend. It is made with brewed tea, milk or fruit flavors, sweeteners, and chewy tapioca pearls, resting at the bottom of the cup. People love it because it offers a playful and interactive drinking experience. You don't just drink it, you chew it. Today, it is available in almost every major city around the world, priced between $4 to $8. A modern variation includes popping boba, which bursts with flavored juice inside your mouth, adding an extra layer of excitement. Avocado toast became a symbol of modern health and lifestyle culture. It originated in Australia and quickly spread through Western cafe culture, especially in cities focused on wellness and fitness trends. It is made with toasted artisan bread topped with mashed avocado, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and optional additions such as poached eggs, chili flakes, or feta cheese. People love it because it is simple, nutritious, and visually aesthetic. It is widely available in cafes across Australia, the United States, and the United Kingdom, usually priced between $8 to $15. Protein desserts are a modern innovation from the fitness and health industry in Europe and the United States. These include protein-based ice creams, brownies, and puddings designed to satisfy sweet cravings while maintaining high protein and low sugar content. People love them because they allow indulgence without guilt. If you know someone who enjoys discovering global food culture, share this video with them so they can experience this journey too. Make sure to subscribe to Hidden Meals so you never miss the next global food journey.